The future of law firm mail management. Virtual mailboxes for security and efficiency. The way law firms handle mail has completely transformed in the recent years. Between remote work, rising client expectations, and a growing focus on data security, the old-school paper-heavy mailroom just doesn't cut it anymore. So today, we're breaking down how law firms can automate mail management for maximum security, efficiency, and impact using virtual mailboxes. Here are some key challenges with a virtual mailbox and how VPM can help. Let's be honest, traditional mail management in law firms can be a headache. You have to deal with delays. With VirtualPostMail, you get faster correspondence. VPM sends real-time notifications and digital previews so your team can act immediately, whether it's a client document, a payment, or a time-sensitive filing. You may also be dealing with piles of physical paperwork and staff time spent just sorting, scanning, and distributing mail. With VPM, you get reduced administrative burden. Mailroom tasks move online, freeing your team to focus on strategic, billable work instead of repetitive manual processes. And if your team's working remotely, that adds another layer of complexity. VPM keeps sensitive documents safe with enterprise-grade encryption, controlled access, and complete audit trails, protecting your firm against loss, tampering, and unauthorized access. On top of all that, using VPM will lower operational costs. No physical mailroom, no extra equipment, no wasted space, just streamlined operations and smarter resource allocation. In a high-stakes, high-speed legal environment, every second counts. That's why VPM's virtual mailbox isn't just a convenience, it's a modern, secure, and reliable solution that gives your firm the flexibility and control it needs to stay ahead. Let's dive deeper. Using digital mail management to improve workflow. Effective communication is vital in the legal field, where timely responses can directly affect cases' outcomes and client relationships. Instead of spending hours manually scanning and sorting, teams can use digital tools like smart tags and OCR search to organize documents instantly. And with features like automated check deposits, administrative tasks are simplified even further, letting legal professionals focus on billable work, not paperwork. That means faster responses to urgent client documents, fewer bottlenecks, and smoother internal communication, especially for attorneys juggling court appearances or depositions. Boost client trust through enhanced security measures. Security is everything in law, and yet studies show that fewer than half of law firms use encryption for their email and files, leaving sensitive data at risk. All mail is handled at secure, centralized facilities, never sent to third-party processing centers. VPM is also SOC 2 Type 2 compliant, which means it's independently verified to meet strict standards for data security, confidentiality, and privacy. That's huge for maintaining client trust and protecting your firm from risk. And because it aligns with professional regulations including GDPR, HIPAA, and attorney-client confidentiality rules, you can be confident that your clients' information stays protected at every step. Maximize efficiency and cut costs with automation. Running a law firm efficiently means using your time and money wisely. VPM's virtual mailbox helps firms do exactly that through automation and integration. You can connect your virtual mailbox with your document management systems or link it through apps through Zapier, automating tasks like logging invoices into QuickBooks, creating Trello tasks when urgent mail arrives, and syncing correspondence into your case files automatically. That means fewer manual steps, less human error, and smoother operations overall. And the cost savings are real. Digital mailrooms can cut operational expenses by up to 60%, according to industry research. For small firms, that's less money spent on office space and mail handling. For larger firms, it's a way to keep distributed teams coordinated without expensive overhead. In today's digital world, law firms can't afford to stick with outdated mail processes. Here's a quick recap of what a virtual mailbox gives you. Secure compliant mail handling, remote accessibility from anywhere, organized and searchable digital storage, and a professional business address that protects your privacy. By embracing virtual mail solutions, firms can modernize operations, strengthen data security, and build trust with clients, all while working more efficiently. If your firm is ready to streamline how it handles mail, explore how VPM can help. VPM's virtual mailbox services are designed for law firms that want to stay secure, compliant, and efficient, no matter where their team works from. Schedule a free demo with us. I'll link it down below. Learn more.